Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Hyundai iX35 SE, stock reference number 3968. This shape runs from the 11th month 2009 through to the 1st month 2016. It has a G4KD 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. GK4D 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a bald tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper bar. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module with neck. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door also appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.